This island, boy, yeah. Get my voice right. Say we on a roll now. Let's go now. Say we on a roll now. Let's go now. Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't my mind. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality warms my soul. All they ever did was lie to you, baby. Tell them other guys bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, sir. I know you love my accent. Just let me show you I can get you in the top 10. I need your blessing, got you sailing like the captain of this yacht. I just wanna get on dock, yeah. She got a hold on me. And I just wanna hold on you. She got a hold on me. And I just wanna hold on you. Yeah. That's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world. If you ever let me go, would be the worst nightmare. You bring the joy back in my life, I swear. Who cares? Me nah no fear. Love is in the ear like a leader, me a cheer. You produce quality, not quantity. You loving it, I'm coming. With you, me say you're great family. Yeah. Relationship goals for a couple till we great. That's how me say the two of it. The universe sent me a queen. Thank God me really get to know ya. It's like me wake but it's in a dream. Can't believe me and you are roll now. Your action, my main attraction. Can't get enough of you, me depend on me, you hold on. On your morals and on your values and moral, soulful emotions that take over me. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world. Starfish. Island, look. Island, look. Look, starfish. What's that? Starfish, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hold on, let me show you.
Okay, come on.
Starfish.
Wow.
What? Starfish. Hmm?
Come on. Come on.
I also got a sea hermit crab right here. Just walking.
Come on.
Okay.
Guys.
You're vlogging.
That. Tata, see, that's it. Come on. Boat.
Esse é o Fili. Ele é grande, big. Mas, vamos ver. Você já usou drone?
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
Going out, you know. Time to go try if I can catch something on the kayak. Huh? I'll come soon, okay? Love you. Bye. Love you, babe. Bye. Bye, Bobby. Bye, baby. See ya. The boat passing by. Yeah, so in Fiji they say bula for hello. But in Jamaica, bulla means something else. Bulla is something that you eat in Jamaica. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Beautiful language though. But yeah, I see the bait fish jumping. I think this is the perfect spot because when me and Babes was out here a while ago, saw the bait fish and I was telling her that must be some fish out there. And not long after I see the big rush, but I couldn't tell what kind of fish it was. But definitely something out here. So let's try. Hopefully I can broke my ducks on a lure. One thing I even did saw was a reef shark when me and Babe was out here, but didn't capture it on camera. But that's my first time actually seeing a reef shark, other than seeing them on video. Yeah, man. So hoping to see something big, even a chase, even if it doesn't pick up. I would like to see a big fish. Sun is quite hot too. If you guys could see my face right now, I'm sweating the hell out. Yes guys, I see the action. The action is right out in front of me. Yeah. I see the bait fish and something I bust up on the water top there with them. See if I can reach before they move. Somewhere out here. Let's see what's going on now. I know what kind of fish it is. Come on. Something must be out there for me. Wow, see some big fish down here. Nothing behind it at all. So where I'm at right now guys is just the end of the reef. Like go further out, it just gets deeper and it's like pure white sand. So I think I'm at the best spot at the moment. Just not feeling any bite. Fiji, better don't disappoint me. Oh, I think that's a barracuda or a longjaw. But it looked like a longjaw. Chasing a fish. Come on, something must be here. Just dead, so. Nice fish down there, guys, but if I had bait, I would definitely try. But it's just lure I'm using. Wow, that's a big fish. I don't know what kind of fish it is though, and if they bite on lure, and I don't have bait. I don't know anywhere in this village that sells bait or anything. Or if I could even use some, what we call it, a yard soldier crab or something, and catch a one fish and cut it up. But yeah, kind of tricky away. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in now. Been casting the lure for ages and no bite, so probably it's just not my lucky day yet, but I'll definitely come back and try again. You see me? See if I can get some bait and try in the reef. See if I can catch one of those fish that I see down there. Yeah man, so that's that, and give thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next upload. Alright, let's go now.